Communication is a skill, and most people are terrible at it. But there's a framework that changes everything. 3 letters. LUV.
Listen. Actively. Put away every distraction. Make eye contact. And before you respond, count to 3.
That 3-second pause stops you from interrupting. It kills your reactivity. It gives them space to go deeper. And above all, stop trying to be interesting. Start being interested. Show you understand. Square your shoulders. Nod. Use reflective listening, if I understand correctly, to prove you're really there. You understand. Through cues, up to 93% of emotional communication is nonverbal. Body language, tone. V. Validate. Their reality. Not fix, just acknowledge.
Stop acting like a fixer with a savior complex. People don't want your solutions. They want to feel understood.
You don't have to agree with them. Simply say, yeah, that makes sense. Watch what happens. That one sentence disarms defensiveness. It builds trust deeper than any advice ever could. And instead of giving advice, ask one question. What do you need right now? Listen, understand, validate. That's the LUV framework. Practice this today, just once, and feel the difference.